Okay, guys, so my card got full, which is so weird. That shouldn't be full yet. I'm just so full of things to say. Nice little break there. Okay, so this is part 2 of Witch Spread, and in the first one we did light gray. It's very, very light gray, and then the accent pieces are snowflakes and evergreen trees. And I hope you can see the deer and the snow. It's a very snowy theme, and that is by Prairie Girl Plans. Then there's this one, which is also kind of makes you feel like it's still kind of Christmassy. It's that same time of year because it has some poinsettias, but everything else on it is snow-covered branches, kind of more blue tone snowflakes, and it's got kind of a taupey colored instead of a charcoal gray. And its accent page mostly has, well, there's the bottom bar, but it's real strong in blues, reds, and charcoal gray. That one looks probably most like it should come next. Then this more wintry one. And then the third one that I showed y'all was this one from little, I'm sorry, that second set was still Prairie Girl Plans. This one is, the third one is Little Paper Prints, and it's got more of snow-oriented stuff, like burr, really cold stuff, penguins, snowflakes, seals covered in snow, that kind of thing. And it's a huge kit. Honestly, these are great kits. It's got it's got everything that you could possibly need in a kit. No kidding. It's got the bottom bars. It's got the checklists. It's got weekend banners, half boxes, more checklists, lots of washi, lots of labels for the top. So that's going to be a really great when I do use it. I'm just thinking I may want to get a little further into January. So I need 4 of them. So that's 3, and I'm thinking this is the order. What do you guys think? 1, 2, and 3. So then we need a 4th week. And we have lots more to go. That's the tough thing. Okay. So this is just wintry kind of in its colors, but not in its theme. This has got blue roses as a theme, and I just think it's beautiful. But I'm thinking this could go closer to May. What do you guys think? There's that one. And what I'll show you on this one that just really got me was actually the bottom bar. The bottom bar on this one is just very pale blue roses, and I just think it's beautiful. And I'm not a huge rose person, but I just think that's really pretty. So I'm thinking that may be, since it's not truly a winter theme, it may be a little more towards May. Then there's another one that has a very wintry look. Again, that one was from Hello Simple Paper. Okay, that was Blue Roses, is Hello Simple Paper. All right, this one again is back again to Prairie Girl Plans. And this is, again, wintry colors in the sense that it's blue, grays. It also has pine cones, little deer in the background. And I will show you both the full box and the check box set. And I'm not sure how good this is coming across because of the lights. These are all glossy. That's the one thing I don't like, is that they're glossy. Because glossy is shiny, you guys. I mean, it does look like it's a higher quality, blah, blah, blah. Where's the bottom bar on this one? Okay, so this one is the most convincing in the sense that, again, it has kind of a wintry bottom bar in that it's pine cones. Whoops. And pine cones by themselves kind of have that wintry look. But, I mean, I guess, yeah, it does. It does. A little peach berries. But again, this is kind of a gray. Actually, it's not gray. There's no gray in this. It's a very light beige, a peachy pink, all of it very muted and light. Same thing with this. Well, here's the colors right here if you look at the checklist. And these little dots. Can you see these little dots? So that's the colors. So it kind of has a wintry feel, I think. But again, just like the the Blue Roses from Hello Simple Paper, I think both of these could kind of go more into late February. February is going to be full of Valentine and red and pink and all that kind of stuff. But some of this could be in there, and then on into March. So kind of feeling cool, probably this one especially, and then this into March is what I'm thinking. Okay, so then in week 4, we could do this one, or we could bring this up a little, because it, again, might be a good one for right after Christmas, because I've noticed in the kind of turquoisey box, which is right here, those are holly leaves. So it kind of gives you, again, a little bit more of a Christmas feel. Let me hold that a little closer, like that. So again, and there's a little deer right there. Again, it's wintry. It's not very Christmassy. And then the check boxes are all shades of blue, so that's very definitely a winter feel. And then the to-dos and the weekend banner itself, it has some peaches in it, but again, it's really focused on blue peachy. And then the bottom bar really brings out that holly leaf with the poppy. Now, how poppies aren't even born at this time of year. Bloom, I mean. And then, of course, it has its half boxes and some really cute clip art. And what the clip art is little white and gray or pale, 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 pale blue foxes. And you know, I love me some foxes. See a little fox right there? And there's one so light you almost can't even see it. And then it gave you a little thank you with giving you 2 little golden roses and another little gray fox. So I wonder if you can see that. Okay. So I'm thinking that will probably be, that could even be this week. I don't know about this one. It looks very wintry. It's called Sweater Weather, I think. Or was that the other one? Is this one Sweater Weather? Does it have a name? Anyway, it kind of has a wintry feel. So those 2 are the most wintry feels that kind of make you feel a little still Christmassy, and then maybe go into this really kind of almost white, pale gray theme, and then this kind of like, okay, these are like wintry animals. So is that what y'all think? I don't know. All right, and then there's one more that I absolutely love, and I don't know when I'm going to do this one. I guess this could go anytime, so maybe I should just save it, but it's from Prairie Girl Plans. I think it's my favorite all-time ever, just because it is pink, gold, peachy pink, glitter. Look at that. It's all glitter. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then look at the to-dos. This is very New Year's looking, because it looks like it has a little glitter or champagne bubbles or something at the to-do list. Again, it's also very pale. And then this very pretty pale pink weekend banner and all kinds of little sticker art and a really beautiful bottom bar. Again, more of that champagne pop, and then a glitter bottom bar. And then I think there is some more. Oh, there's the labels for the top right over here. Again, it's very, very pale. So that could be now, or I could even save that for summer. I don't think glitter has to be Christmas. Certainly isn't in my life. So what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments below if you agree or if you would change these numbers around. Again, the first one would be a little wintry, it's kind of a sweater look. This kind of sweater look. Has a little bit of the Christmas feel still left. That's number 1. Number 2 would be the, this one's kind of just unusual for this time of year, but I mean, when you see that they mix in the deer and the fox and the holly leaves, that one might be number 2, because the holly leaves. And then the next one, which would be getting very cold by now, hopefully the 3rd week of January, would be this kind of snowy deer with all these kind of gray and white tones. I'm sure you can see that. And then lastly, when it should be getting really cold by the end of February, this kit, which will be so much fun because it just has everything you could ever dream of or think of and all these little wintry critters. Okay? So, let me know. Now, if you, if enough of you say, Beth, I would not use blah because blah. Like if you tell me why, or that you just think it would be really cuter. I think I just got something on this. Oh well. That you just think it would be cuter to go ahead and say, put this one much further, like when it's going to be really, really cold. That January is just too early because this is going to be going into February. And that's why I was thinking that one. And that, or to maybe this one looks too like it should be going into, here's the thing, this looks kind of Marchy, but it's the holly leaves. And the fact that in this particular one, the bottom bar, which will be quite prominent, has those holly leaves. It's just the fact that it has poppy leaves with them. That's just, I don't know, I need to investigate poppy. Don't I? But I like the little winter white fox too. And, but then again, this one also has pine cones. So that one could take the place of the other one. So anyway, I don't know. So let me know what your thoughts are, please. And I hope that I will make a good decision. Because I'm counting on you. Anyway, it's saying I have to go. So, goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.